Each and every one of us has a beautiful gift to share into this world. This yoga class is dedicated to being yourself, to shining bright, to discovering and remembering the purpose that we are here on planet Earth, what we are here to serve. Just like Yoko Ono said, you change the world by being yourself. Yoga has transformed my life in so many beautiful ways. It is a blessing for me to share this soul transforming practice, to uplift you, to inspire you, to break ground, and help you feel free. Let's get flowing. So let's sit out in a cross-legged position in all our present and vibrant beauty. Eyes wide open, inviting the presence and awareness of your breath in and out with inhales, with exhales. Sitting up tall, the hands rest on the knees. This is day 7 of our beginner's yoga 10 for 10, dedicated to being. Inhale the hands up to the sky, look up. On the exhale, bring the hands down to the ground. Inhale, open them up to the sky. Exhale, gentle, slow movements, body connected with breath. Inhale, elevate, look up. This time on the exhale, we're going to fold forward as low as we can go, keeping the buttocks and hips rooted down on the ground. Hands in front of you, fold into your beingness. Celebrating being alive, looking up high in front of you, walk the hands to the chest. We're going to inhale and float the hands up to the sky. We're going to enter a twist. The right hand onto the knee, the left hand behind us, opening up the chest, twisting it back, rotating the head forward. Inhale the hands up. We're going to take it the other way. Exhale, twist towards your right. Bring it back forward slowly. We're going to work on opening up the neck. Stretch out your right hand, palm facing up. The opposite ear, your left, drops down to the shoulder, to the arm. Find a nice lengthening across the side of the neck. Keep flexing the palm up. Gentle breaths. Being present. And bring it up. Other side. Stretch out your left hand. Palm opens. Right ear down to your shoulder. Breathe space. Breathe peace. Our thoughts rooted, sink into the present moment, right here on this yoga mat in your own comfortable private space. Being yourself. Lift it up, hands on the knees. Inhale the chest forward, opening up into a back bend. The chin opens up to the sky. Exhale, round the heart back, kick the shoulder blades behind you. Inhale, open it up, chest tall, head high. Exhale, round it in. Inhale, open it up high. Exhale, round it in. Perfect. Release it, sit up tall. We're going to extend our legs forward, both of them. So have enough space in front of you on the yoga mat to stretch the legs open as straight as they can be. The pelvis is tall. If you need to put a cushion or a block underneath your buttocks, this might help you to find more range of motion to fold forward. From here, our hands invited and open up to the sky with an inhalation. On the exhale, we fold. as far as you can go. We want to avoid rounding the shoulders here for the sake of touching our toes. Instead, I invite you to keep the chest tall, spine straight, and just touch the knees. That's enough. The aim of this asana is to push the belly forward, and as long as you feel the sensations on the hamstring muscles, back of the knee, onto the buttocks, two major muscles here, as long as you feel it, you're doing good. Keep the chest tall, close the eyes, and breathe presence into this moment. Feel the breath as it goes in, as it goes out. Each and every one of us has the ability to make somebody else smile. Blink the eyes open. Looking out in front of you like a child, we explore visually the world around us like the first time. Everything we touch and observe seems new, seems fresh. We're going to sit a little bit in front of us by bending the knees, guide the hips forward, lay down on your backs, and lift the legs up to the sky, nice and straight. Flex your feet. Keep the hands to the side. Breathe space, breathe peace. Both knees into the chest. Hug them in tightly and then roll from side to side like the cradle of a baby, like a newborn child. We are welcomed into this brave new world with a fresh perspective, with our doors of perception changed anew. And I'm quoting Aldous Huxley here. And then we pause through center. We open up the legs, the feet in front of us, the width of the yoga mat. We lay out in Shavasana, closing off, being, laying down in deep relaxation. Each and every part of your body is relaxed. The tongue is relaxed. The area around the eyes releases all tension. Heels, elbows, buttocks, shoulders, heavy on the yoga mat. Just sink into peace, into silence, being yourself. Let's invite life back to the breath, back to the body through gentle pulsations in your palms, opening and closing feet, hands, inviting presence in this moment. The light within you glows bright like the sun. Lift the hands above the head, lengthen the spine long and open. And then we lay out to the side, bending the knees, in embryo pose. Rest the head on the hands. Blink the eyes open in front of you. Energize with the hands to lift you into your presence. Sitting in the middle of the yoga mat, cross-legged. Welcome home to being who you are, to shining bright, to making others around you smile. Remember your gift. Remember why you and me are here. There's a quote from The Little Prince, a wonderful children's book that's also amazing for adults. It says, all grown-ups were once children, but only few of them remember it. So invite that childlike presence in your life, in your being, opening up the eyes fresh and anew to your circumstance, viewing it from a more innocent perspective. Welcome home. This is day 7. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe so you can receive a notification for the next video coming up soon. From my heart to yours, Namaste.